Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. Tani teman yalaka Matthew chapter 25 verses 14 to 30. You can read the passage after the class, after the video. Matthew chapter 25 verses 14 to 30. Atom parable changon ang. But before this, I want to tell you that at the end of the video, I will be reading out the names of those of you who have earned these coins in these online classes. And then I will be telling you about one very interesting online talent show. That will be at the end of the video. Among the teman class siya, tanibal class ng teman na sing nakada parable ngaulat na kata changonang. Kayang ipang mga sausan palan, lim ngonang there was a man and under him there were 3 servants. Tau kiyang inang. Hayang hatop kata master, hatop kata iya yindalak na ngay. Tau ching na iya ipang mga sausan palan. Dan niya kapay ang iman ta iching tui iman yak mapa, pawa ang laching na sa pa. The man was going on a journey, so the man called up 3 of his servants and then entrusted his servants with his wealth. Now let's see what he gave them. Kata chata, abang pat kata chata iya nginshop nga pa ang sampa pata. To the second servant iya nginshop ni pa hanga. To the third iya nginshop cha pa. To the first servant he gave 5 bags of gold. Now, English teman bags of gold inginang konyak mangin singonang they are the same thing, so let's use it interchangeably. To the first servant he gave 5 bags of gold. To the second he gave 2 bags of gold, and to the third he gave 1 bag of gold according to their ability. Talking according to their ability. Iman yui shanga toki pa yang to kata I maulo to tai. The man went on a long journey toki tai. Nginshop nga to pa iya to ya yang iya hawan to mo iya to nginya yang iya paile puwang yang iya nginshop nga pay ilak yang nga pau kawato. The first servant who got 5 bags of gold, he invested the money. Maybe he did some business or something, and he earned 5 more bags of gold. The second servant also did the same. He also invested the money, the 2 bags of gold, and he also earned 2 more bags of gold. The third servant who got 1 bag of gold, he did not do anything. He dug the hole on the ground and then he hid his master's money. Iya ado lam pa sausan pa iya ngin shop cha ta bu pa iya pa katak saw yang iya inok po pa ngin ado machawa ang hipak nanjang ngo yang nok po pa yi hayang iya sausan palan niya ka pa yang ato ngin cheng atam. The master after long time he came back and he returned and he called up his servant to settle the accounts with them. Abang pa servant ngin shop nga ta bu pa nok po pa na nga at ngin shop nga yakchon natam lahuya tawa ngin shop nga pau kau taw yanki. That's what the first servant said. He said, Master, you gave me 5 bags of gold. I have earned 5 more bags of gold. Here it is. And then it was given to his master. Nok po pa may teki amay hayanga monghem po saushan pa. May teki amay hayanga monghem po saushan pa. Well done, good and faithful servant. That was what was said to the first servant. Hayanga nok po pa aching ha po tuy mananga monghem po hawyangki. Tao nang siyong po tang maanglak si Pai kay ayanga nang nok po pa mong may ma omyak si The master said to the first servant, I have entrusted you with a little thing, and you have been faithful with the little thing that was given to you, that was entrusted to you. Now I will give you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's blessing. And the second servant also came to the master and said the same thing, that you gave me 2 bags of gold, and then I have earned 2 more. When the same thing was said to the second servant, Maitiki, amay hainga. Well done, good and faithful servant. And then the same thing was said to him, that you have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's blessing. The third servant came and said, gave back the same amount of money that was given to him. Master was not happy. Master was angry. The master said to him, Ameng hanga chokpa saushan pa, you lazy and wicked servant. Hanga ima po ato ngin chop cha ya po ngo po ato ya ngin chop nga ngo po pa. What we can learn from this is God has given us different talents according to our ability. Some of us have the talent to sing, some have the talent to dance, some have the talent to write, some have the talent to read, some of us have the talent to draw different things. We have different talents, crafts, and different things. Let us use our talent to glorify God's name. Teman mengopo hengawa temana kawang ting chailon tamlak chini sa teman jingna chi apo kawang ting chailon tamlak chini sa chona sa to China tamnang ato mo teman ngi puwa the bags of gold that was given to the seven, it was not given to take it away to the sevens. Numan ya si yang papu chi. And then the sevens, when they earned the money, it was not earned for themselves. Imana yu jing earn the main achi apo iman nok pupa master jing earn the main inang. In the same way, the talent that is in us is from the God, and we are to use the talent to glorify His name and not our talent and not our name. China tamnang. Like I've said before, I will be reading out the names of those of you who have earned the coins during the online classes. I have given you the task to memorize this in our physical class when we were taking class online. I mean, Old Testament and New Testament, how to memorize the manual changes. Some of you have already memorized and earned the coins during our physical class, but some of you have sent me the video now during our online class. For this, you will get 20. And then we have different memory verses. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33, 5 coins. Taulak Monang, Philippians chapter 4, verse 6, 3 coins. Romans 6, 23, 3, essay, 3. Essay pa naman, most of you have submitted in our physical class, during our physical class, and then some of you have submitted in my WhatsApp, so you will get 3 points for that. So those of you who have received 5 points, the names are Nipi, Jingwang Wangsha, Mercy, S. Lee Kiang, K.E.G., Wang Lem Pi Wang Nao, Shanki Inglam, and Lee Inglam naman 5 coins daw nga. Ngam Shu Kuklema 8 points daw nga. Muya 20 points daw nga. Kiang 28 points daw nga. Hayang Ching Trawa 31 points daw nga China tab na. And about the online talent show, we will have an online talent show, and you will also get the coins for that. Maybe we'll judge first, second, third, but all of you who participate will also get 5 coins each. Some of you, like I said, you have different talents: singing, dancing, choreography. Some have storytelling, speaking, poems, writing poems or reciting poems, essays, drawing, knitting, crocheting, weaving. Some of you have baking, the talent of baking, cooking, handicraft. Some of you can watch video and learn origami. You can cut your newspapers and papers. Origami. You can make flowers. Some of you, if you have the talent of even karate show, you can do that. If you have the talent of painting, mimicry, drawing, writing, football, different tricks, ball tricks and athletic show, gymnastic, achima ski, drama, if you have that talent, you can even do that also. For say choreography and skate and drama, it can be a group, so you can take the help of your siblings or your friends around. Combine even the parents, I would request the parents help your children help video whatever talents that you have, different talents that I've not even mentioned now. Other talents join make the video of it and then send me the video or even pictures. Say for the essays or poems or drawing, you can take the picture and send it to me in my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, or even in our WhatsApp group. We have junior class WhatsApp group. You can even send there. If you send there, that will be an encouragement for others also. So do that. And of course, for today's class, the memory verse will be from Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. That will be our memory verse today. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew apong nga aleng panmuok, hatoki yakata sisyo manuman wangay tilagyang, hamanak si iman nanuman, tuymay ngilak hayang wangtang mangopo naman apamik tisiwala katoki wanang. So, okpusin na memorize it in konyak. Okpusin na konyak memorize na mengya. If possible, you can do it both in English and in Konyak, but the first priority, give it to Konyak. You will get 5 coins for that also. China Tamnang. Stay safe, all of you, and God bless you all.